If you're tired of carrying extra fuel canisters on camping trips, or you've ever had a stove fail when you needed a hot meal the most, this little camping gadget might be exactly what you've been looking for. The challenge with many portable stoves is that they either take up too much space, rely on fuel you have to buy separately, or simply aren't practical once you're deep into the outdoors. That's where the Redcamp wood-burning folding camp stove comes in. Today, we're taking a close look at the Redcamp wood-burning folding camp stove and finding out whether this compact stainless steel stove is actually worth adding to your camping or backpacking gear. It's designed for hikers, campers, survival enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a lightweight cooking solution that doesn't depend on gas canisters. And if you'd like to check it out for yourself, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out about this stove is its simple but rugged design. It's built entirely from stainless steel, which immediately gives it a solid feel in your hands. Unlike some lightweight camping stoves that feel flimsy or unstable, this one feels surprisingly sturdy for its size. The folding design is especially practical because it packs down flat enough to slide into a backpack without taking up much room. When unfolded, it creates a compact cooking platform that feels secure and well-balanced. The stainless steel grid on top provides a stable surface for pots, pans, and small camping cookware, which is something you definitely appreciate when you're cooking outdoors on uneven ground. In real-world use, the biggest advantage here is fuel flexibility. Instead of relying on propane or butane canisters, this stove burns natural materials like twigs, small sticks, leaves, and other dry debris you can often find around your campsite. That means fewer supplies to carry and less worry about running out of fuel during longer adventures. For backpackers trying to reduce pack weight, that's a major benefit. Once you get a small fire going, the stove does a surprisingly good job concentrating heat upward toward your cookware. Cooking performance is better than you might expect from a stove this compact. It's capable of boiling water, heating soups, cooking simple meals, and even grilling small items when conditions are right. Of course, because it relies on natural fuel, performance can vary depending on what materials you're burning and how dry they are. On a calm day with dry twigs, it works efficiently and provides consistent heat. In wet conditions, you'll need a bit more patience and preparation. One thing many campers will appreciate is the silent operation. Unlike gas stoves that sometimes produce a noticeable hiss, this stove operates naturally with only the sound of the fire itself. The experience feels much more connected to traditional camping and wilderness cooking. Cleanup is also fairly straightforward. Once everything cools down, you simply empty out the ash and wipe away any soot buildup. Stainless steel helps make maintenance relatively easy, although you'll still want to clean it regularly to keep it looking its best. Now let's talk honestly about the pros and cons. The biggest strengths are portability, durability, fuel flexibility, and the fact that you don't need to purchase fuel canisters. The folding design makes transport easy, and the stainless steel construction feels built to last through many camping seasons. It also creates a more authentic outdoor cooking experience that many campers genuinely enjoy. On the downside, this isn't the fastest cooking solution available. If convenience and instant ignition are your top priorities, a gas-powered backpacking stove will still be quicker and more predictable. Weather conditions can also affect performance, especially if you're trying to find dry fuel after rain. And while the stove is lightweight, it's slightly heavier than some ultra-minimalist backpacking stove options. Compared to similarly priced portable camping stoves, the Redcamp stands out because of its ability to use natural fuel sources. Many competing stoves in this price range require fuel tablets or gas canisters, which add ongoing costs and extra gear. If your goal is maximum self-sufficiency during outdoor adventures, Redcamp offers excellent value. However, if speed and convenience are more important than fuel independence, some compact gas stoves may still be the better choice. Overall, the Redcamp wood-burning folding camp stove is a smart option for campers, hikers, survivalists, and outdoor enthusiasts who value simplicity, reliability, and fuel freedom. It won't replace every type of camping stove for every user, but for wilderness cooking and lightweight outdoor adventures, it does exactly what it's designed to do. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest outdoor gear reviews. And if you're interested in picking up the Redcamp wood-burning folding camp stove, check out the link in the description while it's available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.